If you'd like to help us make more episodes, consider joining our Patreon. Links in the description. Alright, so I have been sitting here trying to finish this week's episode, and unfortunately, for some reason, there is this glitch inside of Final Cut Pro that is making some of the video files flash red and then stay red, like there's a red filter put over them. I have no idea why it's doing that. I have tried for days to find a workaround. I cannot find one, so unfortunately, you guys are going to see some very red footage in this episode. Hopefully it gets fixed very, very soon, before next week's episode, I hope. In the meantime, though, please give the video a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for understanding. Let's go. On this episode of The Haunted Side.
Heard that. That was in here. I heard something that sounded like the Obelisk voice, but I haven't even turned it on yet. Whoa. What? And a voice, that's the first voice I've heard come through there. Memory full? That is not full, that was brand new.
Make sure to give the video a like, and if you're new here, subscribe to the channel.
Alright guys, so I am here out back of the roasting house here in Virginia City, Nevada. Absolutely love this place. Y'all know I love some coffee, and they do coffee fantastic here. So I've already had some espressos if you saw the live stream. So I'm geared up, ready to go. I'm super excited to get in here because staff sees shadow figures, but mostly they have like bangs and noises, footsteps, things like in places that they know it shouldn't be. Like they even talk about like the bread back there, like falling off the shelf and just being, not falling off the shelf, but getting like thrown across the kitchen back there. All kinds of crazy stuff in there. So I'm here to check it out. I'm pretty sure I'm also the first person to come in and actually film an investigation here, which is always cool. So I have no idea what to expect. Other than what they've seen kind of during the day. So I've got all the gear, the SLS camera, the static cameras, the REM pods are set up, everything's good to go. I say we just walk in, and I've got the still camera, and I might start off by taking some pictures and seeing if anything wants to communicate. But yeah, let's head in and see what is going on inside of the roasting house. So yeah, you guys know on the table right there, spirit box. I actually have it muted. I'm gonna unmute it here in a second. But I've got the Obelisk, I've got the Tesla coil, all that stuff, the GS2 even. But like I said, I want to start off. I think I just want to take some pictures, kind of do a little intro. It's not that big of a location, but I'm excited. And y'all, okay, so it's a coffee house now, right? They do all their brewing and everything here, but it wasn't always that. It used to be the Brass Rail Saloon, so it was a saloon and it was a barber shop, which I thought was pretty cool. It's like one of the like premier or only barber shops in Virginia City back in the day. Heard that. That was in here. Heard that. That was in here. Is that you? I'm gonna take a couple of pictures. You can show yourself if you'd like. My name's Patrick. Can you tell me what your name is? And they catch a lot of activity in the kitchen, is from what I'm told. And there are, obviously, it's a functioning business, so the refrigerators and all that kind of stuff. They might be a little loud, but okay, so let's unmute. Spirit box. I got the obelisk. I might just throw the obelisk on and leave it over here. Oh, I heard that. REM pod hit. REM pod hit on the bar. Are you over there? You can come up, and if you want, you can touch that little box that I set up there. If you touch that, I heard something that sounded like the obelisk voice, but I haven't even turned it on yet. Maybe it was the spirit box? Did you say something? Okay, let's turn the obelisk on.
Legion, sight, animal, medicine.
Legion, sight, animal, medicine. Okay.
Legs.
Well, it's definitely, there's some energy going on right here. But yeah, if you can hear me, can you go over? Can you touch that little? Can you touch that little box right there on the bar? Ooh, ooh.
Garden.
Just like that. Look, look.
Interest. Right.
What the hell was that? Just like that. Look, look.
Interest. Right.
What the hell was that? Okay, something made a noise over here, and then this started going off again. Interest and bright. I mean, this light, because I'm doing the walkthrough, like that light is on. You know what? I'm gonna set the obelisk down. Maybe right here next to it. Healer. Okay. Oh man. Okay. Let me grab that camera again. I want to keep this going. So are you over here? I keep seeing a shadow move back there, but I'm hoping that's my own shadow. Oh yeah, that's me. So like right there on that machine, that's gotta be me. Yeah. Can you come out and talk to me, please? Can you tell me your name in that little box right there? And I hear stuff move. Like things move over here. And this is, they get what they say is like a lot of like shadow figures here, so they'll be standing here, you know, like cleaning or doing something like that, and they see the shadows kind of move along here. Are you here right now? And I have the full spectrum camera there. Shoot, I think I heard that REM pod. The full spectrum camera there is shooting down here in case anything wants to move. Hopefully I'll capture it. And then the REM pods and all that kind of stuff. So where are you right now? You know, you don't have to be afraid. I'm not here to hurt you. In fact, all I want to do is communicate. If there's somebody here, so this is where, oh, and I do have the shadow box set up back here too. So right here is where they actually had one of the ladies that works here was she told us about it. She was eating a piece of cake right here, and her coworker was standing here, and she felt something like slap the cake, like her food, off the plate, and it landed in the trash can right here. Like literally right here. Which is insane. Can you do that with something else? Like what if I just hold this like this? Can you imagine? No. Ooh. Something made a noise right before I did that. Ooh. Something made a noise right before I did that. I want to get that one back. I'm not seeing it there. Okay. I'm going to keep walking this way. Can you move something over here? Sounded like a voice. Sounded like a voice. I don't know if that was the spirit box, but something sounded like a voice right there. Okay. Ooh. That was weird. Okay, let me take a picture. I don't know. I was looking this way. I don't know if it was this, but something. Ooh, I got chills too right now. Is that you? Is that you? That was kind of weird. It felt like something was there. Hold on a second. Obelisk is over there. Oh, you know what I do have? I have the SLS camera. I think I might break that out. That sounded like that was a weird noise right there. Can you hear me right now? How many spirits are in here? Are there any spirit? It's literally mapping something in that doorway right now. Can y'all see that? That's the doorway I just came out of, and I swear I saw something. This isn't even recording yet. And it's been just like sitting here stationary too, which is really weird. What is it doing? Look, the mouse isn't even working. Whoa. I'm not kidding, y'all. Look. I'm moving this. The mouse should be moving the whole time, and it was not. Are you messing with this? I can't even see. Okay, there it is. Let me switch those views and start recording this. That is... Okay, come on. What are the odds of that? I literally feel like I see something right there. Come over, turn on, open the SLS camera, and something is there. All right. So it's recording now. And now it's over by the door and gone. Whoa. What? And a voice, that's the first voice I've heard come through there. And now it's over by the door and gone. Whoa. What? And a voice, that's the first voice I've heard come through there. I don't know, did it say why or bye? Something like that. Is that you? That was loud in here too. And now, nothing. Ooh, what the? Hang on, y'all. Oh, I don't like that. Gotta put the camera down for a second. Ooh. Something like, not a scratch per se, but like, I can't even see my neck. I don't even know if I'm getting it. Something more than what felt just like a finger just went across the back of my neck. God, I can't see though to see if it's anything there. Oh, hopefully if there is, I got it. Because that was weird. That was really, really weird. And right whenever that I feel like I see something here, it maps something here, and the only voice that has come through that all at the same time. And a noise in there. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna come back in here. Is that okay? Oh, and the shadow box. Shadow box. Are you back here? Expecting all that. Can you move something back here? Or can you make a noise back here? Where are you right? Ooh. What was that? Where are you right? Ooh. What was that? Oh, that was loud. And a rim pot hit. Did you hear that? Can you do that again, please? Let me know where you are. You don't have to be scared of this stuff. It's just things that will let me see you. Can you try to speak again through the box that's on the table over there? What the hell was that? What the hell was that? That sounded like the door. Or whoa, okay. Some like movement back there. And I know like there's an ice machine. Where is it? Oh yeah, it's right here. So at some point that's gonna drop ice. And it's probably gonna scare the hell out of me, but that's a pretty like that you kind of know. That's a pretty distinctive sound. Are you hiding? Oh, that's weird. Okay. It would not focus either. Guys, it's hot in here. And when I say hot, I mean it's like 80, 90 degrees right now. Like it's warm in here. And my legs got like an ice cold breeze. It's doing it again. It's doing it again. Are you down here? Oh, and the SLS closed. As I'm holding it down, the SLS closed. The full spectrum camera shut off. That was rolling. Is the IR light on? It opened back up on its own. It opened up on its own, y'all. That was not there. It just closed again. Are you doing that? What the hell? That's okay, that's weird. Because this should not be off, first off. Yep, still battery. Like almost full battery, see down there? Almost full battery. So that should not have turned off. So I'm gonna set that back down right there and hit record. This has decided that it doesn't want to close again. So, okay. Oh my God. Yeah, there it is. It's working. It didn't stop recording, so at least I know I have that footage. Is that you messing with this stuff? And what's this? Something sounded like a door over here. And it didn't sound like this door. Because that doesn't even have a handle. Like a doorknob, right? It sounded like this. And I'm gonna set the SLS camera down here for a second, but I'm gonna point it out that way, just in case. But it sounded like like closed. Closed. Can you reopen that? Oh. Yo, the SLS camera has never done that before. No, I mean, it's like shut down before, but it does not reopen. And like reset this thing. Like, look, I have to like switch it back over and everything. Like that. Can you do that again, please? That is, what the? That is, what the? Okay, that was glass. That was glass. I've got full body chip. Memory full? That is not full. That was brand new. I swear. Oh, I've got like, I'm like chilled up right now. I don't even know what to do. It's like this, that's breaking. I hear this door move, like knob rattling. Then something happens back here. That was loud too. Can you do something like that again? Can you make a noise like that again? If you can understand me, if you can hear me, can you make a noise like that again, please? Whoa, whoa. If you can understand me, if you can hear me, can you make a noise like that again, please? Whoa, whoa. Okay. What the hell was that? That was louder. Oh my God. Oh, I got a weird pain in my back now too. Oh. Where are you right now? Wasn't really looking, but nothing really looks out of place. Can you make that light up again? That sounded like something like footsteps. What the hell was that? What the hell was that? Guys, I was not expecting this. Let me know where you are. Okay. The Obelisk really hasn't said anything either. Not in a minute. So that's a good thing, I guess. And I guess this is just not gonna work, huh? Alright. Let's set this back over here. Can you hear me? Oh, you know what? I got K2 meter and I've got the digital recorder. I could probably do some of that. Oh, that was me. I kicked the chair. Can you come up and talk to me, please? It's like getting faint hits right there, too. Let me know where you are. Or can you touch the boxes like that one again or this one? Come up and try and say something through this. Something made a noise over there. Ooh. I glanced away, but I thought I saw something happen, like this side of the screen right over there. Okay, so the camera just turned off. I heard something over here. This started going off, and then I heard something back over there again, and the camera turned off. That's a lot of, SLS turning off and on. That's a lot of stuff just coming off and on. Do you not like having all of this stuff here? Grab the K2. I kind of want to go upstairs though, because I have access to the upstairs right here, and they hear what sounds like footsteps up there quite a bit. And I swear I heard like a doorknob like this moving earlier. Look, that whole time this hasn't turned off either. Did it stop recording? I don't know. Let me hit this and see what happens. I guess not. I guess it just stayed on, but it wasn't counting down, which is weird. It normally counts down. Okay, and now it's not. Oop. I don't know what is going on with all of this, like, the equipment tonight. And what's really weird, and this is what's kind of creeping me out, the Virginia City Cigar Bar is literally like a stone's throw. It's like two spaces down. And the first time, actually every time I filmed there, I had nothing but equipment issues, like the whole time. And that's literally exactly what is happening right now. In the same, oh my God, okay, that was a car passing. But in the same, like basically the same spot. The same kind of stuff is happening. Weird errors, the mouse not working, like the SLS camera turning off and on like that. That's weird. Like it doesn't do that. It might shut down and be done, right? And I'm like, well, crap, lost that one. Lost that footage. But not open itself back up like several times. This is weird.